Ridley uses like 10 cameras, and he sits in a trailer and he watches A cam go to B cam, go to C cam, and he cuts the film in his head watching the monitors. And I don't think there's anyone else in the world that films that way. You know, I would argue that he's on everyone's list of cinematic heroes.
Coming from that.
He'll walk forward and we'll cut there till he starts to fall. Until we get a perfect take. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I think it helps a lot when the guy is an artist. I had an idea for a scene, and as I was describing it, he was drawing. And those are the 4 shots that we did, almost identically.
Ridley is a visual storyteller, and I think when a film is made for the big screen, it makes a massive difference. Before the world ended, I was kissing my wife, playing with my dog.
Jasper!
The world that was doesn't exist.
Here it's just us, trying to hold on to what was.
But out there,
It's kill or be killed. The only thing left to fear.
Survivors.
There is a place that still remains.
Go.
I listen
I heard a voice on the radio saying, "My name is Hig."
I'm Seema.
He's an unknown. We've survived because we have rules about how to deal with unknowns.
I know he has real coffee. I miss music, singing on the way to the grocery store.
I miss the grocery store. They're gonna keep coming. We can't hold them off forever.
Arm up! Move, move, move! Shoot the roof!
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. We're an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.